didn't even say anything. I said I'm going on a bike ride. I didn't say anything other than that. Why are you getting all excited for? What are you getting excited for? Frank, I said I was going on a bike ride. I didn't say anything different than that. Bella, why are you making all that noise? Bella, why are you making all that noise? I didn't say anything to you. Except I called your name. Where are you guys going? Huh? Where are you going? Frank, where are you going? You don't know? Well, I don't know why you got excited. I didn't say anything to you. Bella, where do you think you're going? Where are you going? Huh? Where do you think you're going? Huh? Well, I didn't say roll over like that. Huh? I didn't tell you that. Frank, where do you think you're going? Huh? Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where are you going? Huh?